What's going on, everybody? Jacob here at the Nutrition Store, and if you've ever shopped here before looking to gain weight or looking for a mass gainer, you know my opinion on mass gaining formulas and, for the large part, meal replacement formulas. Usually they're chock full of just sugar carbohydrates or dextrose carbohydrates, and there's only like 12 to 15 servings per container for like 70 bucks. So because of that, for the longest time, we've recommended that you get a higher calorie protein, mix it with your own carbohydrate source, and make your own mass gain shakes. That was until we got in homemade by Sledge. So in this product spotlight, we're about to delve into it and exactly why we carry it here in TNS and why it can benefit you. Off the bat, guys, homemade is a all-inclusive meal replacement formula from Sledge, the hardest workers in the gym. You know, we've carried Sledge since we first opened, and we love a lot of their formulas, love the brand, love what they stand for, but we haven't carried meal replacements until now. Why is that? Well, like I said previously, most meal replacement formulas are way overpriced for the amount of servings you're actually getting, but this one actually comes chock full with 25 actual full servings, which is double that of what we normally see. And for 2 scoops, you're going to be getting 420 calories. You're going to be receiving 46 grams of carbohydrates and 48 grams of protein. You could easily cut this in half to make a quick post-workout or pre-workout shake for yourself. This means that you'd be getting 50 servings of an all-inclusive recovery shake too. In addition to that, guys, while the macros are amazing for what this is, you're getting about 90% of your daily value of vitamin A from it. You're getting 24% of your calcium from it. And you're also getting all of your electrolytes in here as well. Now, when it comes to these things, you know, a lot of people are more concerned with the ingredients. You know, how is this comparable to an actual meal replacement? That term is used very loosely. A meal could be anything. It's all about your metabolism, what you're going for. It could be an outright bar. It could be a protein shake. But what makes this more of an all-inclusive meal is the good combination of very, very low glycemic index carbohydrates and good quality protein sources. So first off, they're using whole grain oat flour, whey protein isolate. They're also using a little bit of whey protein concentrate. It's usually a good blend there. Sweet potato, soluble fiber, and then a glucose polymer complex, which is fiber salt 2, another carbohydrate source. They're also using brown rice protein. They're using egg white powder, a little bit of beef protein. Not a huge fan of beef protein, but I think they threw that in there just for the pizzazz there. Pea protein, medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, sucralose, and a little bit of absorbents like xanthan gums and stuff like that. Basically, when we look at the ingredients on this bad boy, you're getting everything that you would get in a good, complete meal. And if you actually go through the ingredients, you'll realize that there's not a whole lot of synthetic additives in here, other than if you want to call sucralose super synthetic and artificial, and it's only sugar with 3 chlorine atoms added to it, so it's nothing crazy. This is an awesome meal replacement. So that's why we carry it here at TNS. And if your goal is something like this in between meals to kind of hold you over, or if you need just a meal replacement for yourself, come check it out, guys. This is homemade. Comes in 3 flavors: blueberry muffin,
making blueberry muffins,
sweet potato pie, and then chocolate. Have a great one. Thanks for tuning into this product spotlight. I love you so much.
Mr. Clean, gravy while you floss on me. Mr. Clean, pull up with my whole damn team.